Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey there, if you're wondering how you can change the admin email of your WordPress account, because when you try to change your admin email address, it says that it has sent an email verification and you do not receive it. So let me show you how you can solve this problem. First of all, let me show you the problem. Here I have signed into my WordPress website, and on the left we are going to simply go to settings and go to general. Here under administrator email address, you can see my current email, and when I enter my new email address and click on save, it is showing me this message: there is a pending change of the admin email to this. So basically I did not receive any confirmation email from WordPress, so that's why my admin email is not updating. Fortunately, there is an easier fix for it. For that, you need to have access to the cPanel of your WordPress website. So in order to open the cPanel, you need to open the hosting provider for your WordPress. In my case, it is Namecheap. I will click on my name and click on dashboard. In your case, if it is a different hosting provider, then you need to check out their documents on how to open the cPanel. I will click on hosting list, and here is my website in which I want to change my admin email for WordPress. I will click on go to cPanel. Once opened, we are going to scroll down and we will click on file manager. If you have a single website, it will show you your website, and first of all we need to find our database name. After that we can change our admin email. Now click on public HTML. From here you will see the file wp-config. So we're just simply going to download it. Once the wp-config file has been downloaded, just simply right click on it, open with, and I'm going to use text editor. It will show you something like this. Just simply click on Ctrl F or Command F and search for db_name. So here it will show you db name, and in my case it is. So you need to basically copy this db name because we will use it later. Once you know your db name, we are simply going to go back to file manager. From here we are going to again scroll down, and under databases you will see the option php MyAdmin. Click on it, and now here you will see two different or maybe multiple names. Now as I just showed you the database name that you copied or that you remembered from your php file, we need to select that database. In my case the database name is this one. In your case you are going to select the database name that you just found through the wp-config file. So I will select this database name. Now again you are going to click on Command F and you are going to type option and enter. So you will have some db ending with underscore options. So I will select this one. So the first name can be different, but after that you will have underscore options. You need to select that table, and now you will have a line saying admin email. So this is my current admin email which I want to change. So before you do any changes, I should tell you that you cannot undo the changes once done. So make sure you do the correct changes. Like if you delete any data, you cannot recover it. So be very careful. Again, first of all, make sure you have selected the correct database according to your wp-config file. Then you have selected the table ending with underscore options, and then we will only change the admin email field. So we are going to just double tap on it and we are going to enter the new admin email that we want to set. After that, click on enter, and you can see it is running and my admin email has been updated. I will again go back to WordPress, refresh the page, and you can see my new admin email has been updated. But yeah guys, this is how you can change your admin email in WordPress if it is not changing. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.